Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Laurel Hill, or 11 miles northeast of Crestview, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crestview and Laurel Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Okaloosa, Florida. This is no